All right, we're talking lowest price, highest value DIY backyard do it today. And we're gonna talk all about design in this video. Can't wait to let you know how to get going with your backyard with design DIY right now. So I get this all the time. People want me to help them with a 3D design because we're really good at backyard design. We're designing for people all around the world and it's amazing, we love it. But we found that not everybody can afford a 3D design. So what do? I'm gonna teach you right now how to design your backyard yourself. Step by step by step, you will be guided every step of the way. You won't have to worry that it's not being done right. You won't have to worry about making mistakes. I'm gonna have your back right now. So with your design of your backyard space, the first thing you want to do is obviously measure the property. So if you haven't already done that, either use Google, do a quick Google search, look at your house, look at your property, and I want you to get your property measured out. That includes the whole perimeter of the backyard. I usually like to focus on the backyard first, and then you can move to the front yard. So go ahead and measure your backyard. Then I want you to measure and put your house on the property. So go ahead and do that. And then I want you to get your windows and your doors on your property layout as well. So all of this stuff needs to be on a piece of paper and you need to be able to have it all ready to transfer that over to a design. Now again, I'm titling this series all about low price but high value. So I was wondering what I could give my community to help them to have value with their backyards for a low price. Now what I came up with was a membership, and the membership is amazing. We've already had our founding members. They've already gone through all of the schooling on how to do their backyards. And here is what some of them are saying about their backyard spaces.
First off, I learned a ton by watching your YouTube channel to begin with, and actually put that into action, and still had a lot of questions on how I was going to do things and how to proceed from where I was without making mistakes. And I wanted to not waste money on building the best backyard possible. So when you offered the community or the subscription for you helping us design our yard, I mean, it was a no-brainer for me. It was like, that's going to take it to the next level. That's going to give us the steps that we need. It's going to make sure that I don't miss anything. And I'll tell you, the information that you've given us, but even the friendship and the fellowship, the camaraderie within the community and helping each other and giving each other ideas and seeing everyone else's ideas that they've got on their design has really taken my design to the next level.
My name is Tim. I'm 35 years old, I have 2 boys. I'm located in the south of Germany. It's kind of cool to have a community all with the same purpose and interest. Everybody respect the work and effort they put into their project and try to give some tips and maybe new point of views, and this is very helpful. And it's a bit like watching all the videos over and over again, because on one day you have a focus maybe on structures, and then 3 weeks after you look at completely other topic and you see something in the background and say, hey, yes, that's what I'm looking for. There's a lot of cool stuff going on.
So there's just a little feedback from people just like you about what you would experience in our membership. You will have success, I promise, and I will make sure of it. In fact, I heard this illustration about purchasing a home. You would never purchase a home without walking inside of it and seeing the side of it. You want to visualize yourself and your family inside of your house. And that's what I would like to do right now, is let you come inside of our membership and let me take you on a little tour, and so you can start to imagine yourself and what you will be doing within the membership to find success designing and building and celebrating in your backyard space. Here we go. So I'm sure you can see the power of what we're doing behind our membership. It genuinely is giving you, people like you around the United States, around the world. You already heard Tim from Germany. We have Kimmy from Japan. We are a worldwide community of backyard enthusiasts, and we want you to be a part of it. Now, our doors are currently still closed, but they will be opening again this week. In fact, Sunday of this week, we're gonna open the doors again, and we would love to invite you in our community. I personally can't wait to help you redesign your backyard, but then carry it through all the way through to completed celebration as you see in our modules. I want to reiterate this, we only have our doors open for 1 week, so we ask of you to please take action. Just like in the first, we had to close our doors and we had a lot of people on the waiting list, so we don't want that to be you. We want to get you designing right now so you're ready to start building by spring. So please take action as the doors open on Sunday. In the next video, we're going to talk all about the build of your backyard and how you can DIY your backyard, because we list out how to build everything yourself, or how to hire the right contractor with confidence that he's going to do it the right way. So enjoy that video. See you soon.